So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert files to a FreeForm board. So the first thing you want to do is open up FreeForm. On here you will need to find a board that you want to add a file to. So let's just open some of the boards. On here you can see some of the options like going to the more actions. You can create a new board by going to the top right, or a new scene. At the bottom you can see you can draw around a bit, you can add a sticker, you can also add shapes as well as a text box, and then you can see here the images and a square behind it. So just click on that. From here you can see insert from, link, scan, stickers, camera, and photos or videos. So if you wish to add a complete file, you can click on insert from, and from there you're gonna see something like this. So it will open up your files menu that you have on your iPhone, and on there you'll see a couple of things that you downloaded as files. So maybe some screenshots, some PDF files, some other stuff that you've added, maybe a Word file. But on there you're gonna be able to actually paste it onto this board, so you can have a file that's linked to that. So just go to the bottom right. On there you can click on insert from, link, scan, stickers, camera, photos, or videos. So from there you can just add it to this board, and then you can figure out what to do with that next. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Freeform or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.